the sixth video about cancer. In this video, we talk about treatment of cancer. Okay? After the proper diagnosis of the cancer, it is possible to treat. So in the previous video I have mentioned, if cancer is detected in early stage, it can be treated easily. Okay? But here, first and foremost, let us see an overview of the methods of treatment of cancer. See, first one is cancer can be treated by surgery. Second one is radiotherapy. Right? Third one is chemotherapy. Fourth one is immunotherapy. So everywhere you see, this is therapy, chemotherapy, right? Immunotherapy. So actually therapy, word comes means that is treatment. Right? Therapy means treatment. Dear student, for your information, sometimes you get the word ended with graph or graphy or gram. Listen to me carefully. If the word is ended with graph, graphy, gram, this is easily you can recognize this is detection, this is diagnosis, right? Diagnosis. But if the word is ended with therapy, it is the treatment. Don't confuse. Again I repeat, if any word is ended with graph, graphy or gram, for example, radiography or that is electrocardiogram, ECG. All these are used in diagnosis. But here we are discussing about therapy. There are 4 methods are available to treat the cancer. Right? Now let us discuss one by one. The first one is surgery. Okay, actually it is little bit complicated process it is, but what is surgery? In the surgery there is a removal of tumor. Directly removal of the tumor is surgery. But it is very difficult. It is not possible to do surgery for every tumor. Suppose if one lady is suffering from ovary cancer, then completely ovary can be removed. Because without ovary, that lady can live. Similarly, if lady is suffering from uterus cancer, in that condition also, complete uterus is removed. Right? Why? Because lady can live without the uterus also. But now you think, if cancer happened in the intestine, in this condition, it is not possible to remove the intestine because human beings cannot live without intestine. So, ಯಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೂ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಬಹುದು ಅಂತಹ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ if any cancer happened in that organs, surgery is very difficult. But remember, surgery is simply removing the tumor. Now come to second therapy. Second one is what? Radiotherapy. Radiotherapy. See, Therapy means what? Treatment. Radio means what? Radiation. Here, radiations are used to treatment of the cancer. Let me tell you how the radiations are used. Listen. Suppose you think that this is the normal tissue. Here, this is the normal tissue, and these are all normal tissue. Okay, normal tissue. But there is a tumor. The red color what I have shown, this is the tumor. Now, radiations are passed to this part. What are passed? Radiations are passed. Radiations are passed to kill these tumor cells. But a very important thing is that radiation should not damage the surrounding normal tissue. Very proper care is required and very expertise required to do radiotherapy, because radiation should kill only the tumor cells, but radiation should not affect the neighboring cells, because as you know that is basically radiations are the carcinogens. Here mainly they use gamma radiations. So using gamma radiations, killing the cancer cells without damaging the neighboring normal tissue, it is called radiotherapy. I repeat, very care is required, because gamma rays is itself, it is carcinogens. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದರೆ ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is radiotherapy. Once you understood this, listen here. What is radiotherapy? Here tumor cells are irradiated lethally. Tumor cells are irradiated lethally. What do you mean by irradiated? Simply passing radiation. Right? Irradiated means passing radiation. Lethally means, you just remember in simplified way, up to death. Lethally, up to death. Right? Lethally means actual meaning is dangerous. But here you should remember up to death. Tumor cells are irradiated lethally, passing the radiation up to the death of the tumor cells. But this point is very important. Without damaging normal tissue. Therefore, what is radiotherapy? Tumor cells are irradiated lethally without damaging normal surrounding tissue is called radiotherapy. Okay? Now third one is, third therapy available for treatment of the cancer is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy. So here what do you mean by chemo? It is simple. Chemo means chemicals. Right? Therapy means treatment. Here, using chemicals to treat the cancers. This is the simple understand. Using chemicals to treat the cancers. So, use of chemotherapeutic drugs. Right? Using chemicals to treat the cancer is called chemotherapy. But listen to me, dear students. Chemotherapeutic drugs are giving the side effects. The lot of side effects will be there. In that, main side effects of chemotherapy is hair loss. You might have heard about or you might have seen the people who has undergone the chemotherapy. After that, they lost the hair. So chemotherapy, hair loss, that is the side effect of chemotherapeutic drugs. One more side effect is there, that is anemia. Anemia. What do you mean by anemia? Already you know that it is in which reduction of RBC reduction. So these are the side effects of chemotherapy. Hair loss and the anemia is the side effects of chemotherapeutic drugs used in treatment of cancer. Right? Now for your information, I would like to tell you the 3 chemotherapeutic drugs. I would like to tell you the 3 anti-cancer drugs. So one is, have you heard about vincristine and vinblastine? These are the anti-cancer drugs extracted from the plant called Catharanthus roseus. Catharanthus roseus. This is the plant from which vincristine and vinblastine are extracted. They are the anti-cancer drugs. Dear student, Catharanthus roseus is nothing but it is Vinca rosea. Right? In the laboratory, I think you have used this plant for the purpose of pollen germination and all. So Vinca rosea. So from that plant, these vincristine and vinblastine are extracted. One more is that Taxol. This is an anti-cancer drugs extracted from the plant Taxus baccarat. Okay, but you remember, wherever you get the word vincristine, vinblastine, Taxol, they are anti-cancer drugs. Okay, so this is about chemotherapy. Now come to the last one, immunotherapy. So once you see the words, immuno means it is related to immunity, therapy means treatment. First, I would like to tell you what is the base of this. Listen to me carefully. So the basic of immunotherapy is, do you know, naturally our immunity fights with the tumor cells. Naturally our immunity fights with the tumor cells. Now scientists thought, if you boost the immunity, then it can be used as treatment in the cancer. You know that is natural killer cells, also cytotoxic helper T cells. These type of the immune cells, they destroy the tumor cells. Right? Naturally God has given one power to us, that is our immune cells, they fight with cancer cells. So just boosting the immunity, it is possible to treat the cancer. Let us see here what are used. In the immunotherapy, biological response modifiers are used. What are used? Biological response modifiers. See this word carefully. Biological response modifiers means changes. Change, modify means what? Change. These change the biological response. But here we discuss especially with respect to immune response. Right? Some biological response modifiers are used here. Those biological response modifiers activate the immune system and help in destroying the tumor. So, biological response modifiers activate the immune system and help in destroying the tumor. So, this is called immunotherapy. Now, one example for biological response modifiers. That is very, very important. Alpha interferon. This is one example. There are many examples, but you remember one example for biological response modifier is alpha interferon. Don't forget, dear student, wherever you get alpha interferon, that is used in treatment of the cancer. Many times in the multiple choice this question asked, about this questions are asked, alpha interferons are used in the treatment of the cancer. For example, you see here, alpha interferon mainly used treatment of the cancer called CML. It is nothing but chronic myeloid leukemia. Mainly alpha interferon is used in the treatment of chronic myeloid leukemia. It is the type of blood cancer. ಈ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ immunotherapy. Got it? So once again I will tell you, if they ask for 1 marks, what is immunotherapy? Biological response modifiers are used to activate the immune system and help in destroying tumors. Okay, now come to this point. Cancer cannot be treated by one method. Cancer cannot be treated by one method. If anybody got cancer, cancers are treated by combinations. This is the point is most important. First, what doctor will do? First, doctor do the surgery and remove as much as possible tumor cells. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಸರ್ಜರಿ they go for radiotherapy, right? Passing the gamma rays and as much as possible remove as much as possible, killing the tumor cells. Once these two is over, then finally they continue the treatment with the chemotherapy, giving some medicines. So therefore you remember always, it's very important, most cancer treated by combinations of surgery, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. But nowadays the most advanced therapies are available for the treatment of cancer. Okay, this is about the treatment of the cancer. It is also very important for 3 marks, and they can ask here 1 marks question. Any 1 marks question they can ask. They can ask what is radiotherapy, what is chemotherapy, what is immunotherapy. Give an example for biological response modifiers. Like that they can ask the question. With this, cancer is completed. In the next video, we will start discussion about drugs. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you so much.